Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how we can insert brackets into your PowerPoint presentations in 2026. So let us get started. So guys, navigate to your PowerPoint or Microsoft PowerPoint presentation on your device. And there are two ways how you can do this, guys. Now option number one would be the most obvious one. You simply insert a text box and use the brackets by typing or clicking into the key on your keyboard, of course. Excuse my poor English here. So you can do this by entering or inserting a new text box. Navigate to the Insert tab here at the top and select Text Box under the Text section here and position your text box. And then use these buttons on your keyboard, like these brackets. Then we got this one on my keyboard. It is are the keys 7, 8, and 9, and also we got this version here. So if you can use that option, but there's also the option to add brackets as shapes, like I did, for example, here below. So for example, you can use them as shapes and resize them and rotate them. Let me show you where you can find these brackets. Again, navigate to Insert here and look for the shapes featured. You will find it under Illustrations. And here, and there's the recently used brackets with that one. You'll find the brackets under the basic shapes and at the bottom of it. So they feature that type of brackets, that one, and this one as well. So you may select it and use your mouse or mouse cursor to position them, to adjust the size, as you can see. And you can't do this with these here. You type on your keyboard. So these are more, they give you more options to customize the appearance, and that's how a bracket like this would look like. If you click into it, again, you will be given the opportunity to resize them, even to change or to round the corners a bit, to rotate them. Let me click into that handle here. And yeah, that's basically it. Now, if I, for example, would like to add a second bracket, because you basically need most of the times two brackets, so an opening and a closing one. You don't need to navigate to the shapes feature again. Simply select this bracket here, press Ctrl C or Command C if you're using a Mac, then Ctrl V or Command V to paste it, position it here to the right, and now simply click into that point here or into that handle and mirror the given bracket, and you will see these lines or lines for orientation, so that you basically mirror them perfectly. And now you can reposition it so that they create a bracket like this, guys. So that's it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.